Hello and welcome to another tutorial by WASD Gaming Warehouse. Today I'm going to be giving a tutorial about Windows 8. Now most of you guys have Windows 7 or maybe even have Windows 8, or some of you guys are thinking of buying Windows 8. Just to get this straight, I think Windows 7 is better than Windows 8. But as you guys might already know, there is something called Windows 8.1 currently, and that looks way better than Windows 8. But just for those guys who don't want to upgrade to Windows 8.1 or downgrade to Windows 7, here's a tutorial for you guys. So as you can see, this is the start screen, and yeah, this is kind of cool. So I'm gonna just lock it by hitting the Windows key and L, and now I will be changing that. Just telling you guys, I will be changing that. So yeah, so I have start, and I can change this background by going to my charms menu. And if you guys don't know how to get charms, just go to any one, like go to the left, the right corner, the top right corner, or the bottom right corner, and it should cover up this. So go to the bottom, I'm going to go to the top right corner and go to settings, and I'm going to go to change PC settings. Now I'm going to keep it like that, and as you can see, I have these different lock screens that I can choose. Let's just go to start screen, and you can change the color over here like that. I'm just going to keep it to blue, and you can change different themes for your thing. I'm going to keep it on what I wanted. Now you can put different account pictures, so I'm just going to browse for one, and I want to show you guys how it really works. So I have these different pictures, so I can just choose this and choose image, and if I just put that to the side and go back to my screen, it changes here. So sorry for that. Okay, now I'm just going to click on that, and I want to right click on this and clear history. Now you can also create an account picture by the camera and the people, and yeah, so you can also go to users, like add different users to your computer. Like if your parents were also using it, then you could put like parents account, so just add a user, so like that, and just add the email address like that. And you have notifications, so I have all of them on. Your search, again, I have them all on. Share, I have like most of these on, so yeah. General, so this is the time and all that, so yeah. Privacy settings, yeah, so yeah, I keep that on. Devices, so this is my mouse, these are some other networks that I connected to. So this is my SD card, I can just eject it like this and click on this little icon here, and it says remove this device, remove, and it can't remove this device because it's in use, so I can eject that, but I can't be bothered. So I can go to wireless, and I can turn this on to stop wireless communication. That's like the Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi devices like that. Ease of access, I can so you can switch that on to put it like into black and white, not like different color scheme. So so it looks like that. Looks really ugly to me. So if I go to desktop, then it looks completely ugly. So it just says all this stuff. So I uploaded a movie then. So if I go, it just looks stuffed up to me. So if I go to change PC settings again, just that off. It just looks incredibly horrible. So yeah, so I switched that off and pressing open up narrator. So yeah. So yeah, so that's that. And you can change the cursor thickness, so I'm gonna put it to 9 and all that. So you can put that to 7 or whatever you really want. So I'm just gonna keep that to 1. So sync your settings. So sync settings from different computers, I think. Your home group and Windows Update. So I'm just gonna. So if you want to close any application, you can just go to the top, hold it, wait until it comes like that, drag and drop it onto the bottom and let go. Now if I open Bing now and go over here, I can see my desktop is open. After Bing actually loads, then I should get Bing over here. Hi Bing. So we're waiting for Bing right now. And while we're waiting, I'm going to show you how to do multitasking on Windows 8. So as you can see, I have Bing open. Where is Bing? Over there. Now I need to put something over here, otherwise my computer will just look ugly. So I can open up calendar and it should snap right there. So if you want to adjust it, you can put it like that, but you can't exactly put it in the middle. But on Windows 8.1 you can put it in the middle or wherever you want to put it. So it's on Windows 8.1. So as you can see, I don't really use calendar as much. And yeah, so Bing has opened right now, and we can see that um, Bing is open. So let's just uh, drag and okay, sorry for this. It's stuffed up. Drag and drop it, done. And also I'm just close my calendar, and I want to keep desktop. So if you go here onto the left top corner or the bottom left corner, then you can access to the desktop or whatever you were on last. So I can access my other video that I put. So and I can also go and just click on that. So if you're on your desktop, you can't use the top tool, but you can use the bottom tool to get back to your start. So if you download a torrent on your Windows 7 computer, then you won't have the Windows key like I have. So you would need to go back to the bottom. So that's a headache if you're not using a computer that's optimized for Windows 8. So if you are running a computer that's optimized for Windows 8, then you would have the Windows key like that. So to easily switch through your different things. So yeah, and let's move on. So I'm gonna now tell you where you can get those cool backgrounds. So as you can see, I have a background. I have this background, and there are so many other backgrounds on the Bing app. So these are different apps. So I'm gonna set this as the lock screen, as that looks kind of cool for me, and I'm gonna press the Windows key and L. Now the pin is a 4-digit number, so yeah, just letting you know. And every time you download something from the internet or anything, it should come onto your start screen. So as you can see, I have TrackX PC and different stuff. So yeah, and this is really cool about Windows 8. So if I had something that I didn't want on my desktop, I could say I didn't want okay, I don't want reader, so I can click on unpin from start or uninstall. So you can just click on unpin from start to when you can go. Now let's unpin from start, and you can drag and drop it like that. So let's find something that we really don't like. Okay, there's nothing. Okay, we don't like getting stuck. Okay, I just need to keep that. So yeah, there's nothing that we need to delete. So if you want to delete some uninstall, just like a Windows 8 app, just click on uninstalled, and it should ask you whether you want to uninstall it. I'm not gonna uninstall whether. It's really important to me. So yeah, that's cool. And if you if you just hit the control key and zoom in or zoom out with your mouse wheel, then you can go to the zoomed out view. But you can also go to the scroll thing, and then go to this little minimize button, and it should minimize. Yeah, so also if you're using a trackpad, you could easily just zoom in and zoom out like this. So I'm not using my mouse, so this is my mouse, and this is my trackpad. And yeah, so that's the start screen. So yeah, as you can see, I have Windows, Microsoft open over here. I have my desktop, Skype, and all that stuff, and all that. Yeah. So now I'm going to teach you the different options in the Charms menu. So let's go to our Charms menu. We have search. So if I wanted to search something on Google, such as, I'm just gonna put this onto my, okay, I already have it. That looks way cooler for me. So let's search up WASD Gaming Warehouse. Let's actually see whether it's on Bing. Then Bing opens up and it should automatically search WASD Gaming Warehouse. So let's just type in YouTube and let's actually see whether it actually finds out. So warehouse game, no, that's not our one. Oh my god, it's not here. So I'm gonna just type in you can't search like stuff on this. YouTube. So I'm just gonna search that. Okay, let's just click on. So you can like go to and then it should open up your default browser. So yep, and yeah, so you can pretty much search for anything. So if you wanted to search up something like Simpsons, and you could like you have all these different options. So you have store, video, and all that. So you can click on store, and it should search for Simpsons. Hopefully it should search. So it says results for Simpsons. So it like does that there. So you can like close that like that. And the cool thing about Windows 8 is that it comes pre-installed with Xbox Live and Xbox Music, and yeah. So here's Xbox Live. It also comes with Xbox games. So if I just click on Xbox games, I can actually access my Xbox games, but I don't have an Xbox. So yeah, unfortunately. So you can like get Xbox games on Windows 8. So here it is. Xbox games. So top action thing. So Xbox Windows. So yeah. So I'll try to scroll there. So yeah, that's so I have friends. So like that. But I do have friends. Who is this? This is not me. I do not know what happened. What this is. So as you can see, you can like choose an avatar to customize it, and then you can like customize the different stuff. So it's lonely here, so you can find games. So as you can see, I can just get these games like this. So as you can see, I can play it. So yeah. So I really don't know whether this is me, because someone could have hacked into this. Let's just see. Also, oh yeah, so it's done. So I'm just gonna put this to my name. Put gaming is life, literally. And location, I'm gonna put Brisbane. Not Brisbane. I'm gonna put Queensland, Australia. So I can just save that. So let's see, who is Humble Rumble? So who is this? I really don't know who this is. And yeah, so that is that thing. And yeah, so then if we move on, we have our desktop, and that's Windows 7 literally. And yeah, so you have all your apps, and also for example, if you wanted to share something, you could just go into your mail or whatever and search. So yeah, thanks for watching this.